I'm bearish for now, but I'm open to whatever the market wants to do. Just going to watch the market and we see where the opportunities lie. But I am definitely thinking short, at least at the moment. Could be a good entry already. Just a few minutes ago. But who knows, when the market opens, might get a quick rally, take out some, liquidate some of the swing highs just above, and then maybe turn around to go lower or just run up. Who knows? But as I said, it looks like we're gonna go short. But I let the market dictate to me what it's gonna do. When it shows me what it wants to do, then I can act accordingly. So I'm just loosely in my head saying, okay, yeah, I'm looking at shorts really. But at the same time, we're open to whatever the market does. So we stay patient, wait for the setup. Right, there's the market open. See what this retracement wants to do. I'm just thinking shorter. Let's jump into, let's see who's live. Damn, man. Shit, man. Look at the entry, man. Let's see. How's it going to close? Is it going to close engulfing or is it going to reject? Yo, Bella. Oh, go on, Bella. You good, yeah? Yeah. Have I still got the... It should be, yeah, it should do. Obviously, my missus for an idol. I can look for it for you still. Should be, yeah, man. I wouldn't say that's for anyway. I am, Bella. Yeah, yeah. Love, bro. Yeah, yeah. Yo, bro. I don't remember, you know, but I'll check in. As soon as I see it, I'll let you know straight away. I love it. It's looking like an entry. Should have got this. Wait. Oh no, see, we should have got the entry. But you know what? I would have wanted to take an entry like here. But guess what? My account that I take the trades on, I hadn't logged in and didn't realize. When I went to click on the page, on the web page, I realized I had to sign in. So I signed in and I missed my, I missed my entry, which is annoying. But if you're not prepared, what can you do? And I wasn't prepared. I thought I was prepared and I wasn't. So now I'm watching a trade that I would have been in right now go without me. So what can we do? Nothing but be annoyed. That's annoying. I can't lie. That's annoying. Hey, we get a retracement. Let's see if it retraces enough for us. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see, because I would have already been in this, and it's early. You know, the price is so whippy, man. Price could swing from one side to the other. Look here, see? My stop would have been just above that high. We could have been getting stopped out, so who knows? Well, that was the. I just got another chance entry, but I didn't trust it. I wanted to see what the next bar was going to do. Could have sold, gave me another entry right here, but I did not. I find it hard to get in them type of entries where the bar's pulling up and it comes back in, and I just think it's going to keep going up. So I find it very hard to take them type of entries. I like to see my engulfing bar come in, giving me I should have got in there, but we'll see what the market does. The market might want to swing back and give us another entry, so we'll let it do what it wants to do. No worries. No worries. Just a little annoyed that we're not in it. Did give me another chance to get in. Right here, which would have probably been a better retest entry, but as I said, I find it hard to get in these entries. I don't know that the bar is going to go all the way up and then come all the way back. Even though I've seen it so many times, I've also seen when the bar does this and just keeps on going up as well. So I'm very cautious, you know. I'm also a little bit cautious for taking trades right at the open as well for some reason. Like a little bit as well, I can't lie. Because the market's so volatile and the volume so high, like anything can happen. In terms of like a quick reversal bar that just spikes, takes out everything before it goes down, or, you know. Looking for a place to get another entry. It's hanging about a bit, innit? Seems to be waiting around a little bit long, if I be honest. See, it's messing around. Who trusts that? Not me. Who trusts to be in that? Not me. All right, let's see. 86, 96. That's 10 pips, man. That price acting weird. You see how it's not going, innit? It's just holding up, but it's holding up for long. Oh, here it goes. Right, I'm probably going to go now. Wait, is that even enough pips? 83.60, yeah. Should have took this entry. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. We're not going to chase. We're not going to chase. My stop loss will be too big if I got in here. Wait, I'm just at 82.90, about 8 pips, so it's not too bad. I just don't like the way it's holding up, the way it's trading. Like, to be honest, I would have thought it would have gone a little bit faster. How close it is to the low of the day. Seems to be messing about. I don't know if some manipulation is going to come or something like that. On the 15 minute looks good though. If we're just going straight down, you know what I mean, honestly. So maybe it's just me, how it's trading. It's acting sort of lethargic. It's going to go, but it's a 5 minute, like what are we doing on the 5 minute right now? See, on the 5 minute, there's space for retracement. Come back into this 9 EMA, few pips. Let's just be patient. See this 5 minute here? That's why I thought, let me look, even though 15 minutes looking good to keep going. 5 minute was saying something totally different. You see how quickly gained an hour's perspective? Very quickly. That's just telling you don't ever get locked in on one time frame, you know? This might be the little manipulation that we're waiting for. We'll watch it, we'll wait and see. Pretty big engulfing bar. We've got another 4 minutes on this bar anyway, so you can do that and totally reverse and end up bearish. It's a very big, quite a big 5 minute bar. This is why I didn't want to get in here. The price was just showing me something. The way the price was moving, you could see that it wanted to turn around. You could see it wanted to retrace. Nah, I should have just took that thing, man. I think I would have taken this, man. I would have got in here. I felt like I was going to take an early trade today for some reason. It nearly got me. I'm glad I wasn't logged in because I probably would have taken it. But to be honest, I would have broken even anyway. Would have been like at least halfway to target to get down. I would have broken even on that, on this trade at the open. I'd already broken even, so whatever. Let me see, wait for price to fail before we can get an entry. We've got something going on here. Yeah, so we're gonna get. I'm trying. I don't know. It looks like it's still got room for more manipulation for some reason. Looking good, like could enter here, but I don't know. It just looks like we're gonna get manipulated again before we go lower. So I'm just gonna be patient. If we miss it, we miss it. But something's telling me just to hold on a sec. I want to be in now. This would be my entry, getting back underneath the 9 EMA, but it doesn't look fully set up yet. It looks like it wants to manipulate still. All right. Okay. That's a very bearish bar. Taking out everything. Expanded a little bit more than I wanted it to. So I wanted to get in on this bar, on this engulfing bar. This bar that's taking out this block. But now my stop loss has gone massive. Massive. Man, how much is that? It's like, no, it's too much. Let's see if we get a little retracement. Let's see what happens if we get anything coming back for us. Might not, price just might go now, man. But we'll see if we get a little retracement, which gives us some space to get in. You can see we're heading to the lows, but we're not heading there fast. Seems like a lot of trickery, a lot of manipulation going on before. Well, not a lot, I should say, but a little bit of manipulation, which is normal at the open, I would say. Patience, man. Patience, man. We will get in if the opportunity presents itself, which it's doing right now. Which it is doing right now. Just got to be patient. Market's messing about though, so. Excuse me. Maybe look, we're pretty much in the middle of the range nearly. We just popped down at the middle of the range, but how's this 5 minute about to close? Bullish or 5 minute close, bullish or so you have to be patient at the open, man. Get a lot of messing around. Back in this fair value gap from the 1 minute, 2 minutes we run for already. Let's see if we close above this one, or we're gonna reject. It's a big 2 minute fair value gap. I'll go to the 2 minute. That's a big gap. What does price want to do? Where does the market want to go? We're back at, like, if you look, we're back at pretty much halfway in this range. From the top there down to the bottom, we're pretty much like halfway in this range right now. So when we're halfway in the range like that, then it tells you the market's indecisive. There's nothing to do. That I'll be guessing where the market be going right now. So we don't guess, we just wait. Let the market tell us what it wants to do, possibly, and we go from there. So we're going to liquidate this high, we're going to close above this fair value gap, or we're going to fail like what it's doing right now. I wonder. I wonder. Let me see the 5 minute again. Okay, we're taking out that first pre-market high that was made. This was made at like 7 minutes before the market opened. The next one was at 5 to 2. Another one here, there's 3 of them. Yeah, it looks like we've drawn them in. Got a lot of people along the short side right now. Took out some of the shorts already above this high, so we've had a liquidation. So that's some manipulation there. So we manipulate all this. Wow. I stopped out and all. A bit premature, maybe my entry. So we see how this bar closes and we'll enter. Re-enter again if it closes bearish. At the moment, if it goes a bit too far, I could have had my stop just above the high and I didn't. My fault. So that's a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. See if we're going to get the entry again now when this bar closes. All right, a little bit late. Yeah, a little bit late. If we stop out again, that's it, man. We're done. Won't be able to take no more. I don't know. This looks like a stop out again, man. I think market's in consolidation pretty heavy. I'm not going to be able to stay in for this. I'm going to have to take the loss. Let's see what it does on this bar. Still in at the moment. I'm out, man. I'm gonna call it a day, you know. I'm caught up in this taking another loss for no reason just now. You know, I didn't see that one because I never logged in. It's gonna go back and forth for a while. I'm just gonna chill. When it gets like this, I can make some mistakes, and I don't want to make no mistakes right now. That's terrible. If you stop, it's just a bit too close for when I'm getting in this consolidation. When it's whipping like this, it's gonna mess me up because I have tight stops. So I'm a little annoyed that I've taken 2 stop outs just now for no reason. I'll just be straight up. I'm probably not going to take another trade unless it really, really gives it to me. So I usually a 1 trade, maybe 2. That was annoying just now, really annoying. It's just trapped in this consolidation, which is just no good. And now look, there it goes. Let's just wait, man. Need a good close. So just in this consolidation, man. It's going to go short, but it's just where my stop loss is, man. That's the problem. Execution wasn't good today. That's for sure. Should have more. I had good patience here, and then just lost my patience in this area. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this market is not having it today. Yeah, I'm done. Super cooked today. Wow. Yeah, market's chopped up, man. Super choppy, man. Let's get cooked. Got caught in the chop shop today, man. Turning everything off straight away after this stop out, man. 3 stop outs. 1, 2. 1's enough. 2's too many, and 3's just get off the computer. Honestly. Just not really liking the price action. In honesty, though, if I had placed my stop, instead of being so tight, it was only 10 pips, but I wanted to get a shorter target or more out of the trade. I could have just went above and look, price never took out the high. So that whole palaver there was me just being a little bit greedy to get a tighter stop, and then chased the second one, instead of waiting for a proper close or a break below these lows here. So this way is, man, not always perfect. Keep learning though. Keep looking at what you're doing and just keep learning continuously. More. You're looking for good setups, sometimes the execution might go off a bit, but to keep working on each setup, risk management, psychology, why we're doing what we're doing, why we've ended up with more trades than we usually take, all them type of things you've got to think about. Well, until price makes a new low down here, I'm not really happy with this at all, honestly. Till we get a new low. We're still in the chop shop. All right, we're making a move now. Because price was staying about there too long. If you hanged around there too long, you've got to start wondering what's going on. Bring my stop to break even, went to 1 hour. Obviously, I've taken a couple of losses today. If price just keeps messing about in this area, I can just wait in it till price is actually ready to do what it wants to do. So want to see it break and keep going, or at least, not just totally reject when it breaks this area. I'm afraid I haven't moved my stop too quick. Just make sure for that. Might have moved it a little bit quick, but obviously I've already taken a couple of losses, so being a little more stringent than I should could get me in trouble. I get myself stopped out prematurely. But the sort of structure that we're looking at, pressure shouldn't really. It can do it once. It does what it wants all the time, to be honest. But I just know if price comes all the way back and starts, I could wait for another entry, or just not be in it. Want to see a good break. Just over 10, yeah. Wonder how price is. There we go. Let's see how it acts. Even get a quick flush out, or who knows. But I'm really thinking about what to do. Let's keep this here because I'm not sure what type of retracement we're going to get. Might get a really strong one. It's just kind of where price is just back and forth for now. So I wonder if I should have just taken my exit the trade there and wait for another setup. Just want to wait and see based on things I've seen in it a lot. Just certain type of price action, sometimes you see certain things playing out, it ain't 100%, but you just prepare your mind for things that you have seen. At the moment, we're still holding price pretty well. We haven't rejected. Seems like we want to keep going for now. Let's see how price reacts. Don't want too much of a retracement. Let's see price break. I want to keep going. Otherwise, I'll get out, take a small loss for the day, and call it a day. If I see this price retracing too much, now it's taking it out. We want to see some type of continuation. If it snaps back pretty quickly, it's going to mess about up here or possibly reverse. So I'll just take my. And the reason I'm thinking like that is because of my previous, obviously, you shouldn't take all your trades, but on this day, the second trade, really and truly, my execution wasn't good. I should have been more patient. So just taking that out and taking a small loss, I can charge that to the gain for today. The price seems like it wants to keep on pushing at the moment. Let's see what price wants to do. Yeah. This is the retracement thing I'm talking about. We made a low, nice retracing. Let's see if he gets above this 9 EMA. If he gets above, we'll just call it a day. I can see it's going to get on my nerves. Yeah, it's going to get on my nerves today. I should have just got out after it took out the low. Already, you can see what type of price action it is today, man. But it is what it is. Take a small win possibly, but we're still watching for this 9 EMA. See how the next bar opens up. See if it comes back down. See if it respects order flow. At the moment, it's respected the retest and breaking back down. So we're just here still watching to see if it's going to retrace or it's going to keep going now. Still in the game at the moment, just about. Just keep watching. So the price is failing where it should be. If it's going to follow like the order flow, you know, it's respecting the previous lower highs. To be honest, price should want to go down to, it should, but who knows when it's going to go to that, to when, roughly where my put the target is where the daily low is. So price might be running towards that, like here, yeah. So the red line where the daily low is, so that's why I've got my target there, but I can actually get out at any time, honestly. From here, you know, as long as it holds. If it holds the low and keeps going, then okay, we'll hold it, which it seems to be doing. Got a nice candle that has made a new low, closed below. Should want to see price speeding up soon. We're pretty close to that low. Price want to start getting there pretty quickly. I'm out anyway. Let price do what it wants to do, but I'm good. We'll just watch it for now. Okay, so what I got was like just under 15 pips, about 12, 13 pips. I thought, let me just exit here. I'll take a small loss. Even though it may be going to where I know it's going to go, it's not a problem. I'm pretty much back at break even with that. So I'm happy with that. Second execution wasn't good. First one, taking on the chin. We should have been more patient on that trade. Knowing how whippy the market was, and I should have had my stop in the correct place. Just a few more pips up would have made all the difference, you know. So is what it is. Price probably going to come all the way down, I know. But I thought, you know what, just in case it does reverse here, let me just call it a day. And price may end up, I think price is going to go short, but just maybe it's going to mess about a little bit. And I do think, like, my entries before has dictated possibly how I traded just now. I do agree, definitely, but I'm happy to do that. You know, I've been in trades where I'm like, okay, you know, I'm going to get back. Not get back. I'm gonna trade this and just like make some profit out after what I've lost as well. When really and truly it might be a bit unrealistic. You know, I've been in trades like that, even with a point like the daily low, which the market is running to now. We can still get another entry. You know, back at break even. So it doesn't look the price doesn't seem like it's going to go there in one go. Looks like we're going to get some retracement. So if we get one more retracement, if we get a fair value gap or anything like that before it hits that red line, then we can enter again. But I'm all right with the trade. I'm down just 1 hour for this week. Yesterday's trade I had a small losing trade, which was a 5 pip stop loss. So which was like half an hour really. See that quick little retest, missed it. Quick retest entry there, boy. Not my favorite, but when you move like this so close to here, I'm later thinking why I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade because of my 2 losses. And from there, I had them 2 losses. I was like, okay, at least if we take out the low and hold around there, I will take profit if we don't move down fast, just in case we mess about a bit more. So that's why I just got out when we started going back on this thing, yeah. And there we go. You can be sure where the market's going, but the market doesn't always go. Yeah, today we saw it go there, but tomorrow it might not. So that's why it don't bother me, because my opinion, my decisions on the market, I've got no bearing. Do you know what I mean? It could have actually just turned around and gone up, and what would I have said then? So I just make my decisions in real time, and I'm happy with the decisions I make in real time. I'm with that, honestly.
Right.
Big rigs.
I scored a good goal today.
Is it?
Yeah. Top bins.
Wait, who are you playing with? Little kids?
Yeah.
Huh?
11-year-olds.
The same age as you?
Yeah, but I wanted to go to the 12 game.
Wait, you too big for them or something?
Yeah, I scored a really good goal. So imagine this is how big it is. I'm there, and a shot.
Yeah.
Really far away. And some other kid scored 5 goals.
Is that?
Yeah. And he's on our team. So I guess we won the whole thing. And after those, I got into a fight. Not fit. I was about to get physical until the coach came.
So who came?
The coach.
Why? Who?
Basically, some kid, yeah, I didn't fuck with it. The better options. And he was like, look at you ugly ass. I was like, who are you talking to, you raggedy teeth? And his teeth looked like a flipping dinosaur. Like his teeth was right there.
Is that what you said to him?
And I was like, shut up, you raggedy teeth, fam.
Is that what you
said?
said?
No, I'm watching it. I'll knock you out. I was like, if you don't get away from me, I swear I'll bang you up. And he's like, I'll knock you out. Come try me. I was like, okay. I wasn't trying to cause a problem, so I was like, push him away. I was like, get away from me. And the way I pushed him, he got sent back.
So annoying. I know you don't want to be fighting no one, man.
I was like, shut up.
I know you can fight. I know you can fight and defend yourself, but it's just not. It's not what you do. It's not what you want to do, though, is it?
And he was like, shut up, you ugly ass.
It's not what you want to do, is it?
And he was like, yeah. And it was like, F you.
How do you feel when these guys do this? Is it just annoying you?
Annoying. Yeah, I'm shaking because I don't want to do anything to them. Yeah. I'm shaking because I'm like, what do I do? Should I hit him? Should I let him have the first blow?
Nah, I never let them have the first blow.
So I should have just hit him.
Nah, because you can see that. Honestly, if they start really coming up to you really close.
Yeah, he was going to. I just pushed my arm.
Yeah,
get away from me, fam.
If you push them, then obviously when you push people, they might try and if you see them.
He did. He tried to. He tried.
What do you do?
I dodged him. And after I was running up to him, I was like, and the coach came. Coach came and just ran in the middle.
Just don't let anyone hit you. If they actually, if you push them,
I was like, come then.
Push them before they hit you. Don't let them hit you.
Wait,
if they
you may need rush if you want to use the toilet.
Yeah, I'm just telling that something.
You push them.
Yeah.
If someone comes close to you, don't let them get too close to hit you.
Yeah.
If they come close, you've done the right thing. You push them away. If they come to hit you after that, you move fast and hit them. You don't let no one beat you. That's 100%. You know what I'm saying? Don't let no one beat you. I'm telling you. Don't let no one beat you. It don't matter who they are. Just don't let no one beat you.
Yeah. And I was like, please, you raggedy teeth.
Don't let no one beat you, though.
His teeth are like this.
You have to always defend yourself. That's all you have to do. Don't let no one beat you.
Mm-hmm. So then after, he was like, come then, I'm going to knock you out. I'm going to knock you out. I'm like, dumb! Every evening I was laughing while he was trying to find me. His hands were like this. So I was like, what's he going to do? And after he got violent, he decided to push me. So I just, off that, everything just locked on me.
Wow.
I was about to punch him in his face and just get on the top. I said, you're so tough now. But Coach came just in time. If the coach didn't come, even the kids were like, come, Tarek, calm down.
Don't worry, man.
Even if Lewis wasn't there, he would. You know my friend? If he was there, he would have backed up from me. He would be like, what? Just was my friend.
I don't think so. Lewis got taken by that other boy. Go to the toilet.
Who other boy?
You know what boy. Go to the toilet and
No,
come.
he didn't.
Go to the toilet
that
and
was
come.
Axel. Axel got his phone taken.
Yeah, and Lewis. What are you talking
No,
about?
Lewis didn't get his phone taken. It was just Axel. What are you talking about?
Alright, go, because Lewis got made to walk, yeah?
Oh, no, not phones.
Tarek.
Not my phone. Huh?
All that stuff you put there for porridge, is it that porridge you wanted today, yeah? Huh?
I just put it there and I said, whenever you want to make it.
No, what I'm saying, it's for you lot, innit, more than me. So I'm saying, did you not want it today? I was phoning you to ask you, but obviously I couldn't get through to your phone.
Yes, you did. Just make it.
So you lot don't want it?
You can make it.
Do you not want it today? Yes or no? I'm asking you a simple question. I'm asking you.
No.
Like, I'm not making it for me. I'm making it for you lot. So if you don't want it, just tell me because I phoned you because I see all the stuff there.
No.
So imagine you think I'm going to go off.
Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret in space. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy. In discipline, in knowledge, in mindset. Economy. Create your own economy. Create your own economy. You must create your own economy. Your own health. So what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy. Your own health. Your own power. Your own health. Your own power. Your own health. So what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. You must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. age we're entering right now. Because you see the age we're entering right now. It's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less. Educate yourself more. It's going to demand just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less. Educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building. Currency. Spend it. More. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Get better, not better anymore. gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, you've got a gift inside you. You've got a gift inside you. You've got a gift inside you. But if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret into place. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy. Discipline, knowledge, mindset. Because you see the age we're entering right now, it's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Right now, it's going to require more than survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less, educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escape. Get better, not there anymore.
Just making some content. Excuse me.
doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, the world isn't fair. So what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy in discipline, in knowledge, and mindset. Because you see the age we're entering right now, it's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less, educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Get better, not bitter. Be more. Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret in its place. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy in discipline, in knowledge, and mindset. Because you see the age we're entering right now, it's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less, educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Get better, not bitter. Be more.
Be honest, I'm real, and this is no disrespect.
Labour Party, is facing the biggest political
Time doesn't wait. Time doesn't wait. And this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. Time doesn't wait. And this is not the season to chill. Time doesn't wait. And this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you. But if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret in its place. Life will build regret in its place. Life will build regret in its place. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy in discipline, in knowledge, in mindset. Because we see the age we're entering right now. It's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less. Educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Get better. Discipline, in knowledge, and mindset. Because we see the age we're entering right now. It's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less. Educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Get better, not better. Be more.
as bad as the things that. So let's say weight loss, for example. Eating the chocolate, the junk food, the fast food, they actually want that more than the sexy body, the nice figure, the flat stomach, or whatever it is. It's just frustrating because we have both, right? We have the desire for both. Just the short-term gratification, the short-term satisfaction we get from indulging in those junk foods is higher or greater.
I always remember a reaction. A reaction was like, doing the lying to my mom.
Want to turn your selfie into a pro?
I got bagged, doing the lying to my mom. I always remember a reaction. I got bagged, Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret in its place. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest your energy into you. Sacrifice now so the future version of you doesn't have to. Don't waste time aiming to look rich. Use time to become wealthy in discipline, in knowledge, in mindset. Because we see the age we're entering right now. It's going to require more than just survival. It's going to demand self-mastery. Entertain yourself less. Educate yourself more. Time is the currency. Spend it building, not escaping. Time doesn't wait. Get better, not better. Be more. Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard. You've got a gift inside you, but if you're not using your time to build it, life will build regret in its place. The world isn't fair, so what? That's exactly why you must create your own economy, your own health, your own power. Start a side hustle, learn a new skill, invest. Time doesn't wait. Your energy into you. From me a little boy, greatness a running on me blood. Greatness a running on me blood. Greatness a running on me blood. From me a little boy, greatness a running on me blood. Greatness a
Tarek. Read. Tarek. Tarek.
Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. Can you find me? Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after.
Time doesn't wait, and this is not. Time doesn't wait, and this is not the season to chill just because you've been working hard.
Small.
What the fuck?
0. Time doesn't wait, and this is not. Sit. 0. Time doesn't wait, and this is not.
Zero 7 3 0 7 3 3 5 7 3 2. Can't take your call right now. Just leave your message after the tone. Zero 7 3 0 7 3. Zero.
Oh,
Zero.
what the fuck is wrong with you?